Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt Part-Time Pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Big Buff Buffalo Pickers in Glass City defending the hustle? Have you ever heard of Big D Fundamentals of the Side Hustle? And was Wednesday night Hump Day Hustle, whatever they call it. They done changed the name again. Anyway, and with Michelle, whatever her name is, y'all know her. Anyway, have you ever heard of what I'm going to say American Pickers for? Have you ever heard of blood, sweat, and sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. I have to do this fast, y'all, because one of my favorite stores is getting ready to close. They close at 6 o'clock. So I'm finna go in there and see what they got. They don't want me to record in there. So I'm finna cut y'all off, and I'll be back on the horn, show y'all what I got. Ooh, I got some stuff. They hold stuff for me sometimes. I got four boxes of comic books. And see all these? Hold on, let me turn y'all around. 4 boxes of comic books. I got this whole box of DVDs. Of CDs. I don't know what's in them. I got an old Apple MP3 player, iPod. Look how big this box is. 2 or 3 layers of CDs. See them 4 boxes down there? 1, 2, 3, 4, full of comic books. We're gonna go through this, y'all, when I get home. They full of comic books. $20 for all this stuff. See that teddy bear? That was $1. That's selling on eBay for $17, $19, whatever. $20 for all this stuff, y'all. They hook me up sometime they don't. So when I get home, we're gonna go through this stuff, all right? Okay, y'all, I'm back. This is the next day, with that comic book haul. Woo, $20. Actually, I paid, the lady said $2 for all this stuff. And I was like, what? She showed me 2 boxes. I went in there to pick it up, and it was 4 boxes. So I raised the price up to $6 on the phone, and then I said, well, I give you $6 for it. So when I got there, I saw all these comic books. I gave her $10, right? Then I saw a box of CDs sitting there, a huge box of CDs. So I just gave her another $10 for that. And I didn't tell her what else I saw in these boxes. But let me show y'all something. Original Game Boy. See that? It was $1. It was in one of them boxes. This thing right here will sell for almost $200 if it was like in good condition. I'm gonna put this on there for $75. It's got a Tetris game in it. I put new batteries in it. Watch this. Look at that. It works. Look at that. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That was in there. Now that right there, excuse me, that'll pay for all this and give me a profit already. Just that, because I paid $20 for all this stuff. Then, this was in there. Now the cord broke on this one, so I really can't test it. I'm going to see if I got some cords. I do have some cords for iPhone, the old iPhone, so it might work with this. Anyway, that was in there. I'm just saying. If it work, it's selling. Now, we finna turn you around to see all these comic books, okay? I went through them, but I didn't really price all of them. I pulled some out and priced them. But look at this. See all those comic books? Okay, we finna go through this stuff. We finna go through it, y'all. Let me turn y'all back around. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show y'all this. In mint condition, if this was certified, it'll be $280. It's not certified, but almost all these comic books are clean like this. I put it on eBay for $190 because it's not certified. $190. Wow. And all she wanted was $2 for all this stuff. Okay? I love comic books. And I want to say about 90% of these ain't gonna be worth nothing. 90% of them. This is the Sensational Spider-Man. Hold on. I got web coinage. Okay. Hold on. This ain't the one I want to show you. This is different. I'm sorry. That's a different one right there. Okay. I got this deaf dealer right here. I'm telling you, all of them is perfect condition like this. This deaf dealer on there for $40. The part 2 is on there for $40. So it's part 1 and part 2. I mean, issue 1 and issue 2. Okay. Let me see what else. Now, them just the ones I picked out. I do have them in stacks. Okay. This one right here. Hold on. Let me get some stuff together. Hold on. Let me mount y'all. That's a good idea. Let me mount y'all a little bit. Hold on, y'all. Mount y'all up here. So I'm going to have to hold you. Okay, y'all can see me? Woo! Let me show y'all. Now I got my hands free. I can dig through this stuff. My hands free. I'm free, y'all. Okay. If y'all familiar with Marvel Comics, they can have all kind of different stuff. This is Marvel Fanfare. Okay, I'm going to lot all these together and get a profit off of them. But they not worth, you got to have a series, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. These are not a series right here, but I'm going to still ship them together for like $30. Okay, this, now I told y'all all these are like brand new, almost all of them. This all X-Men right here. This whole stack is just X-Men. I thought if this one was certified, this would be $100-something. But since it's not certified, some of them just selling for 10, 9 and stuff. I'm wondering why. Certification give it $100-something. Why come this can't be like 75? And I got, you know why I want it that way? Because I got 3 of them. You know what I'm saying? But all these are X-Men. Just this stack right here. Okay. Then hold on, y'all. I got more Indiana Jones than this, but this is all Indiana Jones. Everything is from the 90s. Almost everything in here, the early 90s. This Indiana Jones, I got the originals from 80-something to 89, I think. Hold on. Let me find those. Okay, these are Star Wars. I got these on there. Now this 1 through 6. So these are series together. I think I put these on there. I'm not sure. I think I put these on there for $60. $60. Okay. All Batman versus Predator. This all mint condition. Batman versus Predator right here. Stack of them. Then, if you are familiar with Mantra, she's pregnant on that. This all Mantra. And most of them are like mint condition. I mean, all of them. I'm sorry. Even the ones that's not in the package are mint condition. Look, this one's not even a wrap or nothing. Look at that. The corners are not messed up. Yeah, the corners messed up on this one, see? But the rest of them are not. Like this one. This not the the corners messed up on that. But whatever. Anyway, if it wasn't for the corners, these would be in mint condition. All Mantra right here. That's all I went through for was to look to see if I had the same stuff. Okay. Now, for the big one. All Spider-Man. This is all Spider-Man. It's got Spider-Man X-Force, Spider-Man. It's got Spider-Man meets Venom. It's got Spider-Man. Spider-Man and what's the guy that got the burning motorcycle? Ghost Rider. This guy, Spider-Man, and the Wolverine brother. I don't know who that is. The Beast, that is the Beast. The Wolverine brother. It's got, I'm just telling you right now, this is all Spider-Man. This Wolverine, I got a couple of Wolverines. I got this, I thought this Batman would be worth something right here, but it's not. I'm going to save some of this stuff to give away when I'm building people's shows and stuff. This Wolverine right here, this is about all the Wolverine I got. But let me show y'all something. Now you see, just show all the stacks I just showed you, right? Let me see what this is. Now, I thought all these were going to be worth something, these Angelinas. But they wasn't. I got a whole lot of these too. But I'm going to show y'all something. I'm going to take y'all back off the hook. And just show y'all something right quick. Now y'all saw I just showed you all this stuff in stacks, Spider-Man and everything. It's over here. See? That's all stuff I just showed you. Now look what's left. All this stuff is left. And I've been through it quickly, but I've been trying to put all the like stuff together. But all this stuff is left. I got Wisewell. I got Wildcats. I mean, it just keep going on and on. Y'all remember the Wildcats? Got that. It just keep going on and on and on. I'm sorry. But I keep saying $20, but it wasn't. But for $20, you know, everybody got their guy. You know, I don't have no guy. But people at the thrift stores know me. And they call me up and say they got something. So I go get it. When she said comic books, I ain't even asked what kind they were. Because she called me and said, $2 for this stuff. I can't believe it. I said, I'll give you 6. And I thought it was 2 boxes. What the hell? Now I know how all y'all feel. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got y'all guys. You know what I'm saying? I got my people too. What about that? Hook me up. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all some of this stuff. And I'm going to show y'all some individual things. Like, this is, I got a whole lot of these. I don't know what this is. But anyway, I don't know why this is in here with that. Anyway, this is the Web of Spider-Man. This is a double-sized feature. You see him, and this is the #1 issue. See that? Of the Web of Spider-Man. #1 issue. Okay. This was issued back in 1985. 1985. Most of these, like I told you before, 80s and 90s. The early and late 80s and the early 90s. Man, it can't get no better than this, man. I don't know what to tell y'all. Young ladies, young men, get you somebody. Get to know these people at these thrift stores. I go in there and I make them laugh. Most of them subscribe to my YouTube page. You know, I don't know what to tell y'all. Be friendly to people and they will help you. I gave her $20 for all this stuff. I ain't even had to. I could have just gave her the $2 she asked for. I thought she was crazy when she showed me them boxes, them 2 boxes. She texted them to me and showed them to me through a text. And I thought she was crazy. I thought she was playing them. I said, you want $2 for that stuff? I said, I'll be right there. I wasn't even off work yet. And they closed at 6 o'clock. I got off work at 5:35. And that place was like 10 miles away from me. I drove over there. I got there at 5:45. Then I walked through the store and looked at other stuff. I don't know what to tell y'all. But I couldn't wait to look through this stuff. I was sitting on the toilet going through it. And I'm telling you now, I'm gonna lock these things up. If they don't sell, I'm giving them away on shows. That's all. I'm just gonna grab one and give it away because first of all, they're in mint condition, and in the future they might be worth something. I don't know, but somebody they get it for free. So why you wouldn't want it? I'm just saying. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I've been picking forever. I've been picking since you all were in Pampers. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put on screen what I sold. I mean, what I put on eBay already, and it's just like 4 or 5 items that I put on eBay already. And I'm gonna put the comps. I'm gonna put the comps of the stuff I put on eBay on the screen, and you all judge for yourself. I'm just telling you, judge for yourself. That's all you need to do. Don't believe me. Don't believe what I say. I'ma show you. Yeah, but anyway, y'all, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we picking the hood too. Yeah, peace.